Okay, next very useful and vital feature for simulation is collision detection and part gauges detection. Okay, now I have spoiled one operation for purpose. You can see the error here. You can see in status, you can see error is detected here, and we want to look what particular problem we have in this operation. So first of all, I choose this operation, so it is now active. Now I press reset and simulate up to current operation, and now we can simulate our operation with some problems and see what will happen. Here it is. So we can see now that on this step something bad is happening. If we hover mouse on this step, we can see that the error message says that it is gauge of the part. We also can see it in the simulation if we press run. Here it is. Here's the part gauge. You can see it colored in red. As you can see, this button is enabled, stop on error. So this button enables stopping simulation process if some error is detected. And because of that, our simulation process is not going smoothly. It is stopping on every step which has problems, as you can see here. Okay, so if I push this button and disable this mode, all the simulation will go smoothly, but we can still see the problems in it. This. So we can see the red color. Red color is part gauges, like this. Okay, next. When we have some problems in the project, we have these two buttons active. These are next error and previous error. So we can not wait until the simulation process will go to the problem place. We can just push this button, next error, and see the first problem which we have in this operation. So this is easy, and this is very useful to see all the problems which we have in the project if we have some.